Hello students. So today we'll study page number 72. On page number 71 we studied how Stephanos saved himself from the tempest and from the shipwreck. Okay. So let's see page number 72. You'll find two very important things. First, how Stephanos saved himself. He swam ashore like a duck. And secondly, the cellar is the storage of wine. The store of wine. The cellar is in a rock by the seaside. So these are the two important things that you need to keep in your mind when you study this page. Let's see the page in detail. Caliban says, I swear upon that bottle to be thy true subject, for the liquor is not earthly. So Caliban says that he will, throughout his life, he will be the subject of Stephanos. He says he swears by the bottle that he will always remain servant to Stephanos, for the liquor is not earthly, because the wine that is in the bottle is not of the earth, it is from heaven. This is what Caliban thinks. So Caliban says that this liquid, this wine, this liquor that you have in the bottle is not from the earth, because its taste is extremely good. So it is from the heaven. In that sense, Stephanos is a god, and Caliban swears to be his servant forever. So Stephanos says here, swear then how thou escapest. Okay, then swear and tell me how did you escape from the tempest. This is asking to Trinculo. So Trinculo says, swam ashore man like a duck. Very important point, you can mark that. How did Trinculo save himself from the shipwreck? So he swam, that is he swam. Okay, so by swimming he came to the shore, and how did he swim? Like a duck. That was his way of swimming. So we have seen how Ferdinand swam. Adrian has described him. Okay, with how his powerful shoulders and powerful strokes, how did he came on the shore. Now we see how Trinculo swam to the shore, okay, like a duck. So if you remember, when there was a tempest, first Ferdinand jumped into the sea, and then almost everyone jumped into the sea, and somehow they came on the shore. So Trinculo swam like a duck and saved himself from the tempest. So Stephanos says here, kiss the book. Okay, kiss the book. He is saying that take one more gulp of this wine. So actually, when someone has to say that I am telling the truth, then they kiss or keep their hand on a religious book like Bible or any other religious book. So here, for Stephanos, who is a drunkard, for him his wine is everything. So he says, kiss the book, means take one more gulp of this wine. Gives Trinculo drink, so he makes him drink. Though thou canst swim like a duck, thou art made like a goose. And then he makes fun of him. He says, you can swim like a duck, but your body is like a goose. He says that your body is like a goose and you swim like a duck. So he makes fun of him. So Trinculo says, oh Stephanos, has any more of this? Means, do you have any more of this wine? Means, supposing this bottle is empty, then what will we drink? It's so tasty. So Stephanos says, the whole but means container. I have the whole container. Man, my cellar is in a rock by the seaside where my wine is hid. That is hidden. So where has he hidden the wine? Okay, the cellar is in a rock by the seaside. Please mark this line. Very important. So he says, my cellar means the storehouse for wine, is in a rock by the seaside. So he has that whole container of wine. Okay, if you remember how did Stephanos save himself? He jumped upon the container of wine, okay, the cellar, which the sailors have thrown in the sea. So Stephanos jumped upon it, and that way he came on the shore. So that cellar he has hidden in a rock. And where is that rock? Near the seashore. How now moon calf? Moon calf he refers to Caliban. So he says, Caliban, how does thine ague? Ague means fever. How is your fever? Means now how are you feeling? Caliban says, hast thou not dropped from heaven? Now Caliban has started doting on Stephanos. Means he found wine so see that he says, "Oh Stefano, this is a heavenly drink and you are like a god." So Caliban says, "Have you not come from heaven?" So Stefano says, "Out of the moon." Now Stefano also takes it 2 steps further. Of course, Stefano is a common human being. Yes, and moreover he is a drunkard. So let's say not so good reputation. And Caliban is calling him a god. So Stefano also adds the joke and he says, "Not from heaven. I have directly come from moon. I do assure thee," means I guarantee you, "I was the man in the moon when time was." Time was means once upon a time when people believed. Now scientifically we know that on the moon, okay, the shapes that we see, that are the mountains or the holes. Earlier people believed that there is a man in the moon and he has a dog with him and he has some bushes, okay, all that. So Stefano, following that theory that a man lives in the moon, Stefano says that I was the man in the moon. So Caliban says, "I have seen thee in her." Her means moon. "I have seen you in the moon, and I do adore thee and I like you so much, Stefano. My mistress showed me thee." Mistress who? Miranda. So Prospero and Miranda have taught Caliban. So Caliban says, "My mistress Miranda showed me you," because they taught him how to name the bigger light and lesser light, if you remember. Act 1, Scene 2. Yes, so Prospero taught him the names of this is sun, this is moon. So when Miranda also taught him that this is moon and you see there is a man in the moon and he has a dog and bushes and all that. She says, "Miranda showed me the moon, the man, and you are that man." So my mistress showed me thee means you, and thy dog and your dog and thy bush. So all the 3 things I have seen in the moon. So you are the same person. Actually, there is nothing like that, but Caliban, being a foolish person, he blindly believes what Stefano jokes. So Stefano says, "Come, swear to that." So come on, swear. Kiss the book. Kiss the book means swear by Bible, means take 1 gulp of this wine. "I will furnish it anon with new contents." So I will furnish means fill. It is the bottle. I will fill this bottle anon means soon. So very soon I will fill this bottle with new contents, means with more wine. So I will fill this bottle with more wine and then you can have more of it. Let's finish whatever we have in this bottle. So he gives 1 more gulp to Caliban. Swear, gives Caliban drink. So he gives Caliban 1 more gulp of the wine.